Hi, I'm Phil from Pioneering Films, and in this video I'm going to talk about making films the pioneering way. I think it would be nice to give you a bit of context about me and Pioneering Films, on how we make our films, and see if this is something that you can relate to, and hopefully the information that I give out can benefit you in some way. So these videos are for people who, like us, want to make their own films to their own audience, but at the same time make a profit and be fully sustainable within themselves. But these videos aren't really intended for people who want to make their art films or don't really care about making money or profit on their art. But then there are some tips that I do share which could benefit you. So feel free to keep watching. So a bit about me. I'll keep this really short and sweet so you don't get bored. But I studied performing arts and media at college. I made my own little films. I made my first feature film for £1,000. I then made my next feature for a bit more than that and got distributed. Got burnt by the distributor, never saw a penny come back to me. Definitely some money fudging going on there. So I quickly realized that you couldn't make a penny being your own independent filmmaker. So I got disheartened and I left. I went off, I got a job as a video editor for about 6 years. I then became head of their editing department. Then I left and I started my own businesses, one being print, embroidery, blah, blah, blah. But then I realized that I had a real passion for business. And so I thought, well, then I got thinking about going back to being an indie filmmaker again, but then this time with my business brain, thinking, okay, how can I be self-sustainable as my own little business, like my other little businesses, but keep my passion going, making my films. So after 7 years out, I've been sucked back into it again because I have this passion for it. But I know I certainly won't get rich, and I don't even have that mentality to want to get rich by it, because I know it's pretty darn impossible. It's even worse than playing the lottery. So I had 3 elements of what I wanted to achieve if I was going to start up Pioneering Films. So here are the 3 keys that were important to me. So number 1, and this is key, it had to be fun for all of us, because this isn't the main job. I've still got my businesses to run, so it has to fit around my lifestyle. So the key is it has to be fun, and I want it to be fun for everyone else that's involved in it. So we want to make fun films. I have to be exciting and that makes people want to watch them, and I want people to get, if they like them, that they're to come and work on the films, be extras on the films, be a zombie, kill someone in it, to have some fun. So the second key is that we want to build a community. We want to build our team of like-minded people. There will be more videos on this in further detail, so please like and subscribe, and keep an eye out for those. And the third point is we want to share the wealth to our community, to anyone that wants to be involved. We're not just saying, hey, get involved and then forget about them. If we make a bit of money, we want to bring that out to you as well. We want to give you options so you can make a bit of a return on it. I mean, like I'm saying, no one's going to get rich, but I do believe in looking after people who help us, and we would like to help you. It has to be a two-way street. Like indie film community needs to be a bit more like that, rather than self-indulgent. You help me, thanks so very much, goodbye. For the next project, you need to help me again, thanks very much, goodbye. It's not about that. We want it to be really to benefit you as well. We're definitely not going down the distribution route. We are completely self-distributing. I've been burnt too many times, and I'm sure other filmmakers as well have been burnt too many times by these bottom-feeding distributors who like to fudge the numbers, and you're never going to see a penny. So we take full control of our film, so then we can distribute the wealth to you. We don't have to wait for this third-party distributor to keep all of our money that should be going towards us. Now, when I say money, this is going to be, we're making very, very low budget films, and there's going to be a very little return, if any. So I don't want to say, yeah, well, there's money involved, because the chances are, like I said, it's like a lottery. We're aiming and striving to do the best we can to try and see if we can share the wealth, you know, but I'm not promising that the film's going to make any money. By God, I really hope it does, and we all make a little bit, and hopefully you'll come back again and help us make the next film and then the next one. So if you want to know more about what we do, then in the description below you'll see all of the contact details, the email address, the website. So give me a bell and I will reply. So please like and subscribe to this video and to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.